Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the chance. Now I will presentation our article about analysis of the application of high school biology learning based on local potential. Abstract. Biology learning as part of the natural science has great potential in utilizing the environment as a learning resource. Each region has different characteristics, so that this potential is very important to be studied and applied in the learning process. Local potential as a learning resource can be packaged in the form of teaching materials, in the form of modules, digital books, booklets, handouts, supplement books, and others. The method used in this research is a systematic analysis of the literature from various relevant studies. Based on the result of the literature analysis conducted in the learning process in schools, teachers still have not implemented maximum local potential-based learning as a learning resources. It is necessary to develop integrated teaching materials with local potential to direct more contextual learning as an effort to improve the quality of biology learning that is more meaningful. Keyword: biology learning, teaching materials, local potential, and learning process. Preliminary. Education is a conscientious effort to create a planned learning atmosphere so that students actively develop their potential. Education as a social institution aims to empower Indonesian citizens to become quality human beings so that they are able to respond to the challenges of an ever-changing era. To achieve educational goals, all components of education must be integrated into one another. The problem with biology learning so far is that the applied learning only emphasizes the cognitive domain, so that learning minimally assesses scientific skills and attitude. Local potential-based learning offers learning by exposing students to real objects that are in accordance with the learning material. Social, environmental, cultural, and community diversity makes educators have to pay attention to the suitability between the needs of students and contextual learning materials. Research method. The method used in this research is a systematic analysis of the literature from various relevant studies. This analysis was carried out by conducting a literature study which was carried out in two stages, namely 1. The data collection stage and 2. The analysis stage. Secondary data is collected from various sources such as books, scientific articles, research reports, and other sources that are relevant, reliable, and accountable. Data analysis was conducted by comparing various research results related to the use of local potential as a learning resource. Research result and discussion. Biology learning emphasizes the usefulness for students to learn about themselves and natural environment. Conclusion. Based on the result of the analysis carried out from various research results related to local potential-based teaching materials in the form of modules, digital books, handouts, supplement books, and other teaching materials, they can be alternative teaching materials for environmental education to students. Contextual learning can improve student learning outcomes, both in terms of cognitive affective, and psychomotor aspect. Okay, um, thank you for the attention. I think that enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.